Aloha fellow eaters, Foodz here helping you find your foods folks, and today we'll be having Nature Valley peanut butter biscuits here on Foodz folks. And right before we start eating, I just want to remind everyone to say grace. We must remember that all these gifts are from God, who nourish our soul and give us the wisdom and strength to endure anything. And also to remember that all these folks who farm, cooked, and prepared all these foods folks worked really hard on it. Please check the description below. We'll have timestamps so you can skip through the video in the parts you want to see. Here we go. Okay, I give this a 4.4 out of 5 stars. Not bad. It's crunchy, it's smooth and soft in the inside, crunchy on the outside. It's sweet, buttery, peanut buttery, little saltiness to it, and a bitterness as well. Tasting a little bitterness to this. Kind of looks like an Oreo. No, not really, because this thing's like, it is somewhat of a cookie. There's something inside here. There's something else, as you can see. Yeah, it's somewhat, it breaks almost like the Oreo cookie. It's just a little bit harder in some parts. Yeah, that's it. Thank you folks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Mahalos.